guys, my name's Dee. I work in healthcare, but I decided to step outside my comfort zone and do something a little different. And I'm teaching you guys how you can do the same thing. My journey began here on the internet looking for a way to make money online. And I found that you can do that as a freelance digital marketer or affiliate marketing. Basically, what you do is you are marketing a product, and when you make a sale, you earn a commission. Come to you to teach you everything you need to do and everything you need to know. And I'm doing that by helping you through the errors that I've made along my way. First, it's not easy. Second, you have to have the willingness to learn and the drive to keep going forward. Most important, you have to take action. So if you are interested in learning how to do affiliate marketing the right way, you should follow me. Save this video so you can come back and find me. And guys, just follow me on my journey, because I'm going to teach you how you can start making $500, $1,000, $2,000 a month. As you go, it takes time. You got to grow, because you're going to start with 0 followers and 0 experience. So it's going to take time. But if you start following me, you're going to know the exact steps you need to take to get started yourself, so you do not have to stay stuck in a job for the next 20, 30, 40 years.